This is everything you need to know about how to clean your dishwasher. Hey, I'm Molly. You may believe that your dishwasher self-cleans itself as it cleans your dishes, but this isn't the case. The hard-working household appliance requires regular cleaning and maintenance. So here are the steps to effectively cleaning your dishwasher. So let's get into it. First of all, begin by emptying your dishwasher before beginning the cleaning process. And then remove the top and bottom racks for easy access. You may see that there is leftover food remnants from your last cycle. Begin by putting your cleaning gloves on and removing these with a paper towel. All dishwashers are different, so look at the bottom for a grate and filter to inspect for any remaining food remnants. Once you removed all the food buildup, it's time to scrub your internal filters. Using a sponge, hot water and dishwashing detergent, clean the filters until all the small particles blocking the mesh have been washed away, and leave this to dry before placing it back into the dishwasher. Next, wipe away any grease residue from the interior sides, including door, sides and control panel. Use a spray bottle with dishwashing detergent, water and a microfiber cloth to remove gunk buildup. Use a soft brush or an old toothbrush to remove any gunk lodged in the rubber seal around the door. Check the spray arms for any clogged holes. Small food particles can get lodged in there. Use a toothpick or a small scrub brush to clean out any debris. This is common if dishes are not rinsed well before being placed in the dishwasher. Additionally, in areas with hard water, mineral deposits from calcium and magnesium can accumulate and lead to blockages. Now that we've cleaned the visible particles and debris from our dishwasher, it's now time to deep clean our internal components. To do this, use a specialised dishwasher cleaner. Carefully read the instructions on the product to understand where to add the liquid or sachet. Depending on the specific cleaner you've chosen, you might place a sachet or pour the liquid in the dispenser or directly in the bottom of the dishwasher. For stainless steel dishwashers, fingerprints and smudges can be easily removed using a stainless steel cleaner. Wipe the surface with a damp cloth to remove surface dirt, then apply the cleaner following the grain of the steel. Buff it to shine, focusing on the high-touched areas like handles and controls. This not only helps clean, but also helps prevent future marks. And there you have it. You have now mastered the steps to effectively cleaning your dishwasher inside and out. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.